गुरुर् साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः।
Hello students, how are you all? Today in English grammar we are going to discuss something new. Now till now we have finished from chapter number 1 to chapter number 5. So let's do one thing. So many chapters we have completed. Do we remember what we did in these chapters? So today we are going to do the revision of chapter 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, so that you are well versed with these topics. So in this session we are going to revise all the grammar chapters. So let's start. So children, let's start with our first chapter. We studied about the sentence in the first chapter. What are the rules which we studied? Yes, a sentence begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. See the example here? This is an apple. T is capital here and at the end there is a full stop. What is a sentence? Sentence is a group of words that make sense. As we said, you cannot say a sentence anyway. You need to arrange these words to make sense. Let's see the example. Apple red is the. Is it making sense? No, we need to arrange it. So how will we arrange it? The apple is red. A capital letter in beginning and a full stop. Now it makes sense. Now, in what places do we use capital letter? We studied that too. We use capital letter at the beginning of the sentence for proper nouns. What are proper nouns? Special names of person, place, animals and things. You learnt in English grammar too, right? And the word I, the letter I is always capital. Let's see an example. I have a dog called Bruno. What is the name of the dog? Bruno. So it is capital. And I, it's in the beginning also and it's always capital. The next lesson was questions and statements. Do you remember? When we ask something, what is it? Yes, it is a question. See the example? What do you like to eat the most? It's a question. We are asking something. And what is a statement? When we say something, it is called a statement. See the example? I went to market yesterday. We are just simply saying what we did. And so it is a statement. The third lesson we studied about punctuation. Do you remember the 3 punctuation marks we studied? Let's see one by one. The first one, a question always ends with a question mark. Example, what are you doing? Always, whenever we ask something, we put a question mark at the end. A statement always ends with a full stop. I like to sing. It's just a statement, and so we put a full stop at the end. When we want to express a strong feeling, what are strong feelings? When we are very angry, when we are very happy, when we are very sad. Such type of feelings, when we express in a sentence, we put a exclamation mark at the end. See the example? Hooray! We won the race! Fourth chapter, we studied about nouns. What are nouns? Names. They are also called naming words. All the names of person, place, animals, things we see around us are nouns. See the example? Cat, doctor, fan, lion. These are all names of. Now in nouns, we studied two types of nouns. The first one was common noun. Common nouns are general names. They are the general names of all the things we see around us. Person, place, animal and things. Like example, country, boy. The next type of noun we talked about was proper noun. What are proper nouns? They are the special names of all the things around us. A special name given to person, place, animals or things. For example, India, it's a name of our country. Ankit, a name of a boy. So these are proper nouns. And one more quality of proper noun is it always begins with a capital letter. Fifth chapter, we studied about singular and plural. Singular means only one. When we talk about one thing, one person, one place, one animal, then it is a singular one. But when we talk about more than one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, any number, it becomes plural. Now, there are few rules which we studied to make a singular noun into a plural. So we'll see. The first rule is just by adding s. So see the examples. Tree is one. When we add s to tree, it becomes trees. That means many trees. Table, tables. Now any word, if it ends with ch, sh, double s, o, x, then to make it plural, we add es, not only s, but es behind it. See the example, brush, it ends with sh, so we put es behind and write brushes to show its plural form. Box, it ends with x, so we add es to make a plural form. Boxes. If a word ends with y, then we have to remove y and add ies to make it plural. See the examples. diary. There is a Y at the end of the word. So we will remove Y and add IES to make it plural. So it becomes diaries. The second example, lady. So remove Y, IES, ladies. If the word ends with F or FE, we will remove F or FE and add VES to make it plural. So example, life, F and E. So we'll remove FE and we'll add VES, lives. Half, remove F and we'll add VES, halves. So children, we revised all 5 chapters, all the rules. You need to see these lectures every now and then till you remember each and every rule of it. Once you are very well versed with these chapters, the other chapter will be very easy for you to understand. Right? Till then, we'll meet soon. Goodbye.